best driving school in Manhattan, right? This is Benny with Pierre Driving School, and this channel here we are all in about driving. If you're new here, consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. We are located here in Brooklyn, New York. We also serve the Manhattan people as well. All right, so if you're looking for a best driving school in Manhattan and you want to make sure that you get your lesson the right way and be able to not only to drive and pass your road test, look no further, Pierre Driving School can handle that for you with no issue. We do that. We meet at the closest subway station or meet anywhere near you. Then we go ahead and get the lesson done there. As you and I know how congested that it is in Manhattan, we really cannot really practice driving exactly in the heart of Manhattan, however, but we service all the community as well. Okay, many people are asking me to do a lesson explaining that, so here we are now. If you're looking for best driving school in Manhattan, look no further. Pierre Driving School can definitely help you. And in fact, we cover the entire New York area. We have no jurisdiction on where we're not covering here in New York City. We do pick up and drop off, however, then we just make sure that we meet within the limit distance that we picked up. Otherwise, we make arrangement for us to get the lesson done for you. Like we said, we are all about driving. We're not gonna deny you service if you wanted to get some lesson from the best driving school in Brooklyn. With that aside, we're gonna continue with our day-to-day left and right as we do on the regular. If you are looking for anything driving you want us to cover in particular, you put in the comment below, as that's where most of our video coming from. In fact, we wanted to thank you for all your support by giving Pierre Driving School a bigger library of driving videos based on the question you guys be asking on the comment below. With that aside, let's drive on the regular as we do every day and cover the left and right, and see where we go from there. If anything that I miss as I'm going through, just put in the comment below. As I'm driving, it's a lot of moving puzzle that I'm paying attention for, so you guys can see a better thing that I may not be able to see. Put it on the comment below, right? Full stop here, we stop here, to the left, to the right. Is there any humans? No. Second for traffic, right over here. Okay, it's for traffic. Now we're going to pay attention. Traffic kind of getting heavy here and very tense on my left side, all right? My left side is getting a little bit better. All right, I'm pushing out here. Then my right side get busy. See? My left side is clear, right side get busy. Now, traffic get a big time aggressive. You cannot go until you get a full clearance, all right? So this here, we're going to do mirror left, shoulder left, and keep it to the closest left lane, all right? As always, what do we do for ourselves? Signal to the right, mirror right, shoulder right, and bring it over, all right? Here we go. As out on my right side, cover the brake, make sure everybody's safe. If you're looking for best driving school in Manhattan and you want Pierre Driving School to help you, we service the Manhattan area as well. We're not limited here to Brooklyn. We're serving the entire New York County. New York City. We do pick up and drop off at a certain area. Otherwise, we meet at the office, or we have meetup points where we can continue to provide the work. As our goal here is to help as many people as we can help in the New York City New York City area, so all of you guys can benefit from the content that we share in here in this channel. We're making a right turn here, mirror right, shoulder right, and making the turn. Right? Covering the brake, going straight here. Right turn at the light, signal right, mirror right, shoulder right, and fall to the right side and covering the brake. For the purpose of the road test, student keep where? On the right side of the road. It's not how we drive, it's now they want us to drive to pass the test. The minute we understand that, it's changing everything, all right? So I thought it was about driving. I went and took my road test without any guideline. I take the test 3 times before I finally pass. Am I not, should I lie about it? No, I cannot, right? Because I learned from experience, then I share that with every one of you guys, so you don't have to experience the same thing that I experienced. Because driving is not enough. Driving is part of the puzzle. They're looking more than driving, then we have to give more than driving. Minute we understand that, passing your road test is just one appointment away. Then again, if you're new here to this channel, consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We make sure that each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. The guy in front of you on my left side giving you mixed signal. with the right signal, undecided what that person wanted to do, but I'm covering my brake and pay attention to closely to what's going on. I will want to make a left turn at the next light coming up. It might be a little bit tight on me here with the traffic. Guys, let me know what you guys will do. All right, let me know what's the correct way you guys will make that left turn before it comes. Let me send the comment below if you will get it. Okay, taking advantage of the car in front of me that fall back. Signal my attention to the left, mirror left, shoulder left, and go over. I take advantage of the car in front of me that was turning left at the intersection. Give me an upper hand of the traffic behind me. I'm making a left turn here. See police pulling people over. Yes, they are looking and pulling people left and right. Making a left turn here, pull up to the middle with your front, with the car straight. Okay, they're gonna pull the guy. They're gonna put that car in front of me off. They're gonna pull them up. It's a matter of time. Mirror left, shoulder left, and go with the turn. They're gonna pull. Why? They're gonna put the car. They're gonna pull that car. They're gonna pull that car over. It's a matter of time. All the way stop sign. We're gonna make a single stop where everybody can see everybody. Okay, we here first. We continue to go. There's no rush. Delivering to what we're supposed to do. The name of the game is no rush. No rush. We're stopping. We don't want to block that intersection here. That's a ticket, and for the road test, they will fail you. It's all about delivering things that we're supposed to do, and we stay within things that they're expecting of us to do. Then you pass your road test with flying colors. See, had I blocked this crosswalk here, this car you would have not been able to continue to go straight. You see, there you go. If I was blocking it, then it would have not been good for them. That's problem. And here in New York City, they'll give you a ticket for that. A moving violation ticket that comes with point, which we do not need on your driver's record. You do not want any moving violation because they come with points that can be hanging out on your license or driving record for a long period of time before they go away. And the bad side about it, they come up with points. In New York City here, each point that you got on your license can raise your insurance up to 25%. One, but we're not going to create no accident because we're driving straight. We have the right of way. But it's not about driving. It's safety #1 priority. If you're doing anything you feel like is not safe, please don't even bother doing it. All right, shoulder right, and we're going around when it's safe. Same way back in, signal left, mirror left, shoulder left. At the light coming up, we're making a right turn. Signal right, mirror right, shoulder right, and make the turn, fall to the closest right lane. Best driving school in Manhattan, Pierre Driving School can assist you to get all the help there for you to do if you live in Manhattan. We got people, we're serving people all around the Bronx, Manhattan, Harlem. We're serving all of you guys. We make a location point and we go from there. Signal right, mirror right, shoulder right, and go around. Sometimes you have to step up the game a little bit. Foot covering the brake. Make sure nobody is coming your way. Foot covering the brake. We keep in the middle. Forward planing all your moves. If we keep weaving in and out of left, that's going to be weaving in and out of traffic. That's not good. As you're driving along, you're adjusting yourself accordingly. Forward planing all the moves. The car in front of me is going over to the right. I'm not going to get behind the car and stuck. Then I move over to the right. As you're driving, you're looking ahead and you're forward planing all your moves. Now I'm driving by myself. If I was doing the road test, I would have not, however, just move over to the left because the car in front of me moving to the right because the examiner will give you the instruction. But as you're driving, you're forward planing all your moves. You're forward planing all your moves so you don't get stuck at the traffic if you do not want to. All right, folks, there you have it. This session was driving school in Manhattan. We service all this Brooklyn, New York City area. If you're new here, consider to subscribe, like, share, and share that video to people that you know may benefit from this. Until then, keep practicing. This has been with Pierre Driving School. Take care now. Bye bye.